Hello, this is Carrie Claypool with your DIY for the day, and today we're going to be making a creamy hand scrub. Now, I saw a picture of this online yesterday. I've not made it before, but I saw the picture and I had to have it. So I've made other scrubs before where it's olive oil and then your salt or sugar, but this one actually uses coconut oil, and we will whip it today with the mixer, and so it makes it real creamy, and it's all ingredients of just brown sugar, coconut oil, and essential oil, so it's actually smells good enough to eat and is safe to eat. Now, one thing, I left my jar over here. One thing that I always say to do is label it. I'm actually not going to label my jar because it's going in the bathroom and it'll just get wet and just be a big mess. So I'm going to make this up, and I may put a label on a lid for any extra. So on your jar, you want to make sure, I like using these cute little jelly jars. There's also some that are a little bit shorter. You just want to make sure that, this one's actually a little bit too deep, but you want to be able to make sure that you're going to be able to get all the sugar scrub. So today I'm going to be using brown sugar, and again, you can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar, or you can use salt. I'm using brown sugar, it smells really nice, and then coconut oil, and I'm going to use lime essential oil. I think this scent for that will be really nice. Now I'm going to put this in the bathroom, so it's really good in the summertime, you know, after I've been in the garden and, you know, have a lot of dirt under my fingernails to use the scrub, or, you know, when the guys come in from working on different things, you know, they've got a lot of grease or stuff on their hands, this scrub will be really nice. So I will measure out 2 cups of brown sugar. Let me move this, make sure y'all can see. Move my camera a little bit. Okay. And we'll do 2 cups of brown sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and smash it down real good. Now you can mix this up by hand as long as you first make sure there's no big lumps in your brown sugar. And it's just not going to be as creamy, but it'll still work just as well. And you can also use, you know, a food processor to mix it up. You just want to make sure that the coconut oil doesn't get too hot. If it starts to melt, then you can easily just put it in your refrigerator and let it get solid again. So that is 2 cups of brown sugar. And I started trying to eat healthier, so using up my sugar this way will benefit me as well. So I think I probably have just about a cup left of coconut oil, but I'm going to go ahead and measure it out. We'll need 1 cup. And any coconut oil is fine. I get this at Walmart, but I've also bought it at Kroger and Amazon, and I think I'm going to have right at a cup worth. Go ahead and level that off. And we're not going to be eating this. We can, but we're not going to be eating it, so that's why I'm just getting it off the table. And I'm not going to worry about using my fingers because, again, we're just going to... Now, when you use this in the bathroom, you can wash your hands first and then use it, or just use it and wash your hands however you need to. So, and I'm going to use lime essential oil. It's one of my favorites. And now that it's summertime, it's a nice summer scent. And I was thinking if you use salt, you could always call it your salt and lime scrub. So I'm going to use about 10 drops. There we go. And we'll see how it smells. I can always add more later. So I'm going to use my mixer here. And I want to make sure that it's creamy, but the coconut oil is not starting to melt. the sides down. Make sure we get it all. And it's starting to get real creamy. Again, if you wanted it to be, you know, just white, use white sugar. This one will have a brown tint with the brown sugar, and we'll taste it. I actually don't taste the lime. I don't smell it too much either. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. The brown sugar is coming through, that I can smell the brown sugar. Let's add a little bit more lime. There we go. For the noise. So this has a nice creamy consistency, as you can see, and you can continue to keep mixing it, and you know, to have a whipped cream, a little bit more fluffier. But this looks really nice, and I'm just going to fill my jar. You see, nice and smooth, and then put it in the bathroom. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you make a scrub, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on Facebook at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.